Guys, there's a new update in town. You can now create your own AI dancing baby videos for free. You do not need KLING AI. You don't need to put your credit card details. You don't need to pay. It is free and unlimited, and it is best AI baby videos you see because it is so clean. All you need to do is to input your AI baby image and also the video you want your image to copy, and you will be amazed at the result. You can see that it is on the screen and playing. Let me show you how to do it in a few minutes. In ChatGPT, type in generate and paste in your prompt. By the way, if you want this prompt, just let me know in the comment section and I'll drop it for you. You can make the prompt your own, ask it to wear different type of attire you want. It could be jeans and top. But for this one, I want you to wear a traditional blueprint and beads on her head and her hand. You will see the result in a few minutes. And I want the aspect ratio to be 9:16 because the video is meant for TikTok. You can use other image generating tools, but I prefer using ChatGPT because it gets my prompts better, especially when I'm creating these AI dancing baby images. It gets my prompt better than other AI tool, but you can try other AI tool like Whisk. Now I think my image is ready, and you can see she looks so cute and beautiful, and the image is so giving. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and download the image so that I can have a copy. So just click on it and then click on save. You can make this prompt your own, like I said earlier. Just tell ChatGPT to change her attire, make her wear jeans and top, whatever it is you want to ChatGPT to change for you in the image. So now that I have my image, the next thing to do is to head to Google, where I'm going to type one.video. All I'll simply do is type it in Google. You can see one.video AI. It's an AI tool that lets you do video generation and also image to dance video. I'm just going to click on it, and once you get there, you can just register with your Google account. I'm not going to show you that in order not to waste time. Once you are in this interface, you can scroll up and click on that three dots. What you are going to now do is that you are going to change to desktop sites. As you can see, now I have changed to desktop sites. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll down and click on this head icon. You can see, click on this head icon. Once you click on this head icon, it will take you to another interface, head icon that says avatar. It will take you to this interface where you are going to do the main work. Now click on this head icon again to make sure you are on avatar. Can see that the avatar will show. Yes, right now that I am on avatar, I'm just going to click on this icon that says speech to video and click photo animate. Next, I'm going to click on character. Here I'm now going to bring my character, the one I generated from ChatGPT. I'm just simply going to click on character and then click upload from device. Then choose the character that I generated from ChatGPT. Wait for it to load, as you can see on the screen. Next, I'm going to click on video to bring in the video I downloaded from TikTok. Click on video, then click on upload from device, and I'm going to bring in this video I got from TikTok. It's a dance AI baby. You can do that to go to TikTok and download yours. Now the video I uploaded is here. You are going to trim it because one video AI only allow 15 seconds video. So if it's more than 15 seconds, you are going to trim it. But if it's not more than, you're just going to leave it. So I'm just going to trim it here, and I'm going to click on confirm once I'm done trimming it. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a message or a comment if you like. Thank you so much for watching. So next, I'm going to click on confirm once I'm done trimming my video, like I said. Now my video is uploaded in one AI, so it has uploaded. Then you click on this white icon that says generate. And then once you click on this white icon that says generate, it will go ahead and generate your video or start generating your video. All you need to do is to be patient. And let me tell you one good thing about one AI. It gives you credit every day. So you can come back the next day and generate another video. Come back the next day. You understand, you don't have to pay. It is free and it is unlimited. Now my video is ready. All I need to do is tap on it. And then you can see, oh my god, she's so beautiful. You can see the dance is so clean. You won't even believe that it is this AI that did this. Let me know if you are going to try this in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm just going to go ahead and download my video because it is important. I'm going to click on the screen, and then to bring out the download video button, I'm going to click on it. You can see my video is downloading, and I'll just click on open. You can see my video is ready, and it is in my device. You can see how beautiful this character is dancing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.